Tell me about getting in contact with the universe and higher spirits. I have the feeling I'm so connected, and there are unbelievable coincidences. I have the feeling everything is coming to me. And now this is interesting. And I don't have to do anything. I just have to be and be thankful for the joy and love. There's a wonderful feeling of love for everything, all the people and nature and God. And it's so beautiful and I'm so thankful. It's so wonderful. You just have to be. Everything is coming to you. Describe this. Yes, everything is coming to me. She does this. It's the complete opposite to the other. It's like the fairy story of the girl and the stars are falling from heaven and she's holding her skirt out to catch them. It's wonderful. Everything is there. And the universe, it's wonderful. Love is there. It's wonderful. And you said this is the complete opposite to the other. What is the other? The other is being completely, and she does this again, to that black point in that hard, completely immovable state. I have to close the eyes. I'm completely in the dark. It's better to have the eyes closed because outside there is only the dark. Absolute darkness is so scary. In my dream with the keys, I had an inner knowing which meant I could find the keys again with my eyes closed. Say about feeling inferior and superior at the same time. Superior was being treated like a princess. My mother showed me to relatives like a showgirl. The other side was I was not noticed at all. It was like I was not there. It was both at the same time, of course, so I nearly went crazy. I had a lot of fears of going insane. My home was so terrible. Hell, I only wanted to get out of there. Well, Natalia's saying black hole, and this is a case of black hole. And there's a question from Chanda asking when will we get the PowerPoint. I will ask Dr. 𝗵𝗽𝗶 to send the PowerPoints after this session of all the ones that we've been looking at. There are three names, confusingly, to this remedy. Cygnus X1. This is not swan. Although birds are a big part of the black hole proving, interestingly. A black hole, 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗔 nigris. An absolutely amazing proving in Canada in 2010.